Has your hearing been on a decline? While it's important to consult a healthcare professional for hearing loss, there are some natural remedies that will help improve ear health. Here are some options. 1. Ginkgo biloba. How it works. Ginkgo biloba is believed to improve blood circulation, including to the ears. This may help in preventing or reducing hearing loss, especially if it's related to circulation issues. Usage. Typically taken as a supplement, but consult with a doctor before use. 2. Garlic. How it works. Garlic is known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which may help with hearing issues caused by infections or inflammation in the ear. Usage. You can create garlic oil by crushing garlic cloves and soaking them in warm olive oil. Apply a few drops in the ear after consulting a doctor to relieve symptoms. 3. Magnesium. How it works. Magnesium is said to protect the delicate cells in the inner ear, helping prevent noise-induced hearing loss. Usage. Magnesium-rich foods include spinach, broccoli, and whole grains, or you can take it as a supplement. 4. Vitamin 12. How it works. B12 deficiency has been linked to tinnitus, ringing in the ears, and hearing loss. Usage. Foods rich in B12 include eggs, fish, and fortified cereals, or you can take a supplement. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. How it works. These acids may help by reducing the risk of age-related hearing loss due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Usage. Fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts are good sources, or you can take omega-3 supplements. 6. Apple cider vinegar. How it works. It contains zinc, potassium, and magnesium, which are essential for good ear health. Usage. Drinking a mixture of apple cider vinegar with water can be beneficial. 7. Ginger. How it works. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which may help with ear infections or congestion. Usage. Ginger tea or supplements can be consumed, or ginger oil can be applied around the ear, not inside. 8. Ear massage. How it works. Gentle massage of the ear and the area around it can help with circulation, relieve tension, and potentially improve hearing. Usage. Circular motions around the ear and gentle pulling of the earlobe. 9. Keep the ears clean. How it works. Hearing loss can sometimes be due to earwax buildup. Usage. Use gentle ear cleaning methods, like ear drops or flushing with warm water. Avoid cotton swabs as they can push the wax further inside. 10. Coconut oil. How it works. Coconut oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties that may help with ear infections or wax buildup. Usage. Warm coconut oil can be dropped into the ear to soften earwax or reduce inflammation from infections. Consult a doctor first. 11. Onions. How it works. Onions have strong antibacterial properties and can be useful for ear infections that might be causing hearing issues. Usage. Onion juice can be warmed slightly and used as eardrops to alleviate ear infection symptoms. 12. Zinc supplements. How it works. Zinc plays a role in strengthening the immune system, and it may help prevent or treat ear infections. Usage. Zinc supplements can be taken, or you can increase your intake of zinc-rich foods like oysters, beef, and spinach. 13. Fenugreek seeds. How it works. Fenugreek is believed in traditional medicine to improve hearing by balancing hormone levels. Usage. Fenugreek seeds can be soaked and then used in cooking or taken as a supplement. 14. Mustard oil. How it works. Mustard oil is said to have antifungal and antimicrobial properties and can help reduce inflammation in the ear. Usage. Warm mustard oil can be dropped into the ear to help with wax removal or to soothe infections, but consult with a doctor before trying this remedy.